Hello everyone, McDonald Bullion here, and we are going to be talking on stocks versus gold. Which is the better investment? What should you be buying? I'm going to go into detail on some of the stuff that I do personally, my own experiences, and I'll also give you the information so you can make a decision on if you should be investing in stocks or gold. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you'll know that I am a gold and silver stacker. I stack silver from all over the world, including coins, bars, 1 kilogram bars, 10-ounce bars, you name it. I've probably either got it or I'm on about buying some. But in this video, we're going to firstly kick off with stocks. So stocks, most notably Warren Buffett says the best stocks that you can probably buy is the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is an accumulation of 500 of the biggest US companies in America, and there's different sectors which diversifies the money that you put into it. So as you can see by this chart, there's 25% in technology, but it includes the big blue chip stocks. That's Apple, Microsoft, Bank of America, all the big guys. But the S&P 500 is a very good investment that you can make. It returns on average around about 8%. So if you're thinking about where to invest your money, then 8% is a good return, guys. It's usually even more than putting it into real estate. But obviously it's not all grand and dandy with things like stocks. They can crash, but in terms of 8% a year, it's a good return on investment, and it gives you dividends as well. An example I will give you in terms of the dividends is I used to have a share in Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola used to pay me $1.68 per share I had in the company. I think I had the shares at $55, so they used to pay me $1.68 per year on the each stock I would have in the company. Now I have my investments in the VUAG. This is an S&P 500 ETF fund which accumulates the dividends that's paid by the company. So your Coca-Cola, your Apple, your Microsoft, your Bank of America, they accumulate the dividends that's paid by the company and they reinvest it for you. It's a really good way of snowball effect that comes from reinvesting that money. And also, it's not just a 30-year plan. You don't need 30 years to keep putting in money for it to be good for you, so you can achieve a good net worth. If you're, say, 50 or 60, you could put a lump sum in. You could put a lump sum in, leave it for 10 years and reinvest the dividends, and you could accumulate some really good wealth. I know that it's a great way to get a good return on investment, but also stocks crash, so just be aware when America crashes, other markets crash too. The UK, Canada, France, they all look up to America and they've all got money in America as well. So whenever the stock markets crash in the US, like the Great Depression and stuff, it really affects it. One of the things that actually gold has over stocks is it's physical. You can have it, you can store it, you can hold it in your hand. It's money outside the banking system. You can have this money. You don't need it to be locked in some vault or something in some Santander bank or HSBC or Bank of America, because the banks are going to reinvest that money that you give them anyway. So I mean, gold is really fantastic because you can actually have it and keep it yourself. And it also saves, say you put $1,000 into the bank, you throw money at them and you're thinking, where's it actually going? They're investing that money. Well, say you leave it and you don't touch it and you don't invest it, you actually lose 3% a year due to inflation. And this year it's actually 8%, guys, so you're actually throwing money away if you're not investing or buying anything with it. But gold's a really good way, and this is no right or wrong answer to it. I buy both and I think you should too, but I'm in no way a financial advisor. And if you would like to find out more, I can give more videos on gold and things because it's a really fantastic asset. Gold and stocks, guys, are really good ways to diversify your portfolio and also to increase your net worth for the future as well. That's what I'm going to do anyway. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you've got anything that you'd like to add, give me an email, drop me a comment, and also if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe for the giveaway at 250. Thank you very much, guys. I will see you in the next video. This is McDonald Bullion. Cheers. Take care.